Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and my sidekicks today for a quick video. Zinnia, can you say hi? Yes. She's ready for treats. Wyatt is down for a nap because he hears me start talking and he thinks that means it is sleepy time. So today I have for you a Rocksbox unboxing. So if you're new to Rocksbox, it's a jewelry rental subscription service, which I really enjoy because it gives you a chance to try jewelry out before you actually commit to buying it. It's $21 a month. It does get credited towards anything if you decide to keep it, but you have to remember to use that $21 each month or it does expire. So I generally do try to decide each month if I want to keep something I can. However, if you decided that you wanted to keep all 3 items that you get for a month, you could apply that credit, one item, like one each month for 3 months to each of the 3 items, if that makes sense. So you could drag out your box, all 3 items for 3 months if you wanted to, because you can keep them as long as you'd like. So it is kind of neat. You can make sure you don't lose any of your money. And if you buy all 3 items in a set, you generally do get some sort of a discount, depending on what they have going. Usually it's at least $10. So everything comes in a nice little bag like this that is reusable to return anything you decide you don't want to keep. I find that I generally keep 1 item out of each of my sets. Usually I'll pick my favorite and send the rest back. So that's just what I have been doing so far. This is the pretty box. A very nice presentation. Usually you get some information right inside. It tells you about all of your items right inside here, as well as the pricing. You get jewelry care instructions. Everything comes wrapped up quite nicely, and everything is inside little jewelry pouches. You always get 3 items in each of your sets. And you always get a return label to send anything back that you don't want to keep. And you can return them as quickly as you want to, or keep them for as long as you want to. So let's check these out. The first item, and I always forget by the time I get them, because you do get to preview your items and you can choose to switch them out. I think that you have 24 hours that you get to preview them, and you can swap out any items that you choose not to get. And I do create a wish list and my stylist, because you do get to choose a stylist, you do get to fill out a profile, and my stylist does try to pick items off of my wish list. So generally when she does pick out my collection, I'll have 1 or 2 items from my wish list included in my collection. So this first item is earrings by Sophie Harper. These were a wish list item I had. So these little danglies, so that's the front, and this is the back. So these are really cute. I hope you guys can you guys see those, I hope. So they have the solid little bar here at the top, and then a little bit of dangle and a solid bar here at the bottom with probably rhinestones or crystals there. And I'll tell you what these are. These are called the Sophie X Sterling Double Drop Pave Bar Earrings. It says the retail price is $60 and the member price is $51. So I am going to put these in real quick and show you what they look like. Okay, so here they are on both pair now. And I like them. I think those are really pretty. I think they're delicate, but they have a nice enough drop to them that I think they are really pretty. What do you guys think? I like them. I think I might have to leave them in for today. And they feel really light. Yeah, I can't really feel them at all. All right, so the next item is the Aster Zinnia ring in silver Druzy. Look how pretty that is. So I think that is very pretty as well. I like that. Yes, and that is retail price of $65. The member price is $55. What do you guys think? I think that's so pretty. All right, last item. Oh. The last item is by Ava Rose. It's the Camden necklace in gold and copper turquoise. Check this out. That is pretty. I do love the turquoise. I think that really stands out in color. Looks very nice against the navy, actually. It really stands out. You can see my sleepy sidekicks here. I think that is so pretty. You could layer it with other necklaces. Very, very pretty. I like that. Okay, so that one is a retail price of $80 and the member price is $68. So the subtotal for all three pieces is $174. Buy all three is a $10 discount. So that's pricey for all of those items. You would get your $21 for the month credit off of them as well if you kept all three, or you could spread it out and get $21 off each item and wait 3 months to just pay for them all if you liked all three. Like I said, I generally will pick one item out of each, but I'm kind of really liking these earrings, and I kind of like this ring, so I might have to think about these. I like the ring. So what's your favorite? This one might be hard choices for me. Generally, I can usually choose and pick just one. All right, so I will put my link down below in case you would like to give Rocksbox a try. If you use my link, you will get your first box for free. And I will also list any of these items. I will list all of these items down below as well in case you would like to check any of them out or add them to your wish list. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love it if you would hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and join all the fun and all the rowdy excitement from my sidekicks here. Zena must know when I'm wrapping up these videos. You see how she gets up and goes straight over to the treat bag. So she must know. Thank you. Please hit that subscribe button, join the fun. If you've already subscribed, thank you for all the support. I so very much appreciate it. Till next time, everyone, have an awesome day. Bye.